What's up, guys? Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion. Back today doing another video, and we're in my truck all by myself because we're going camping, at least just for tonight, all by myself. So we're going to be going up into the high Unitas in Utah. So we got like a two-ish hour drive, and we got to find a camp. And I'm gonna set up my own camps, and I'm actually gonna try hammocking myself tonight. But then we also have an RC kart event this weekend, so I'm gonna be filming this whole weekend of what we're gonna be doing, all the RC stuff, but as well as just me camping and enjoying my truck. I'm hoping to hit some trails while I'm out there. So let's cut to the montage.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know.
Few inches later.
Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life.
All right, guys, we have not made it to camp, but we are up the mountains, and it feels fantastic up here. It's not 100 degrees anymore. We came up here to pay our fees. Heidi's looking fantastic. She did fairly good coming up. It struggled mostly in the first canyon, which is Provo Canyon, but it did much better on the rest of it. So let's pay our thing and find a camping spot.
Something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
All right, we have made it, and I think I'm gonna try to hammock between that tree and my truck tonight. I'm also gonna set up a tent to hold all my gear in, so I gotta get that done. And it's dark, but luckily I got light bars in the back, so only have reverse lights right now. I can use those to set up if I have to. So I'm gonna try to hurry set up camp. Got the easy up by myself. Still need to do the sides. That was pretty challenging, but I got it. And I'm camping by myself tonight, not this whole trip. There's a bunch of people coming up tomorrow, just late tomorrow. So I get a whole day and night by myself, which is kind of nice. All right, good morning. I'll show you around camp now. I tried hammocking from that tree to my truck for sleeping overnight, and I can't do it. It hurts my back. It does work good for hammocking if there's only one tree available, because those two trees are way too far apart, obviously. I got a sweet fire ring, got a creek running through right here, and all this marsh. Just gotta listen to that last night. Got my big old tent, 10 by 10, easy up or whatever. I don't know what brand it is, Pro Shade. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go down to town, download some Onyx off-road maps, and go explore some dirt roads, eat some breakfast. All right, well, we got down to service, and I have found me an off-road that I think will be cool to explore. That's pretty close to camp, so I'm gonna go explore that. It looks like it's not very long, but I think there's some camps at the end or something. I don't know. I'm just gonna go explore it.
Got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what
All right, so as you've seen from the time lapse, we have been enjoying off-roading, and then now I'm on a lot smaller of a trail, and I got a puddle to cross, so I'm gonna show you it. That was pretty sick. A lot bigger puddle than I thought. It just kept going. All right, so I had to go to the other side. This road is called, yeah, Castle Lake. I'm on Onyx Off-Road. I couldn't figure it out from the top, the lower side loop. It looks like on the map there's about a half mile between the end of this trail and the end of that trail, even though on Onyx it says that it connects. But I would assume that this is Castle Lake. Hike down to it. I'd be curious to go fishing here. There's something swimming around right there. I don't freaking know. This is cool though. Wow, this lake's getting bigger and bigger. All right, I'll show you when I get back down. And I doubt you could see it because it's a GoPro, but there's a bunch of cows. And then a huge lake. Probably goes a half mile that way. All the way up in. I'm gonna take some video on my phone and let's show you guys. I'll probably do a little better justice. Look at this lake. This thing goes so far back. Okay, focus. Way over there. And then there's a bunch of cows. Right there. It is an open range. And then Katie's up behind the trees right there. Yeah. Now we're gonna try to hike and connect the two trails. So I think the road's destroyed. But you know, let's keep going. Alright, I didn't film really pretty much when everyone else got there. I took a lot of pictures and some videos, so I'll have to throw those in the video. But I am driving home now, and it was a fantastic weekend. The RC event was super fun. Lots of mud. It rained a little bit the very first lap. The second lap rained a lot more, but it was just fun. No big deal. So yeah, let's show those pictures now. Echo! Hello? Tunnel? Big old grate there. This is super deep. Well, hopefully you enjoyed those pictures. So hopefully you enjoyed the videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel. Go out and go find your passions.